Ready to rumble in the crypto jungle? Today, we're pitting Bullx against Phantom in a head-to-head battle to crown the ultimate trading platform champion. First up, Bullx boasts a sleek, intuitive interface. Navigation is a breeze, making it ideal for both seasoned traders and newbies. Its order book is crystal clear, ensuring you can execute trades with precision. Now, Phantom steps into the ring with powerful charting tools. Technical analysis junkies will love its extensive indicators and customizable layouts. This platform is all about data-driven decisions. Security is paramount. Both platforms offer robust protection, but let's dig deeper. Bullx emphasizes multi-factor authentication and cold storage, giving you peace of mind. Phantom also employs multi-factor authentication, but focuses on regular security audits and advanced encryption. What about coin selection? Bullx covers the major players Euro, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Euro plus a decent selection of altcoins. Phantom, on the other hand, often offers a broader range of less common cryptocurrencies, catering to those looking for niche investments. So, who wins? It depends on your needs. If you prioritize a user-friendly interface and rock-solid security, Bullx might be your best bet. But, if you crave advanced charting tools and access to a wider variety of coins, Phantom could be the perfect fit. Do your research, try out both platforms, and find the one that empowers your trading journey.